All India Council for Technical Education and Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekanand Technical University, Bhilai, 5th Joint Teachers Training Program on Motivation, Team Building and Leadership for Technical Teachers, Vishwavidyalay Engineering College, Ambikapur, welcomes you. The object of this one-week program is to enhance working skill as well as academic skill and leadership quality of technical teachers. Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor M.K. Verma was the chief guest and inaugurated the program in the gracious presence of Colonel V. Venkat, Director, Faculty Development Cell, All India Council for Technical Education, Dr. S.P.S. Matharu, PMC Chairman, and Dr. R.N. Khare. The participants are from India's various states like Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Delhi, Kanpur, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and all over India. The speakers from across the country from Indian Institute of Technology, Indian Institute of Management, National Institute of Technology, Triple IT, Indian Space Research Organization and renowned industrialist was shared their knowledge on a wide range of management-related topics in 17th session. The program will also empower teachers to resolve disputes logically with humility. Overall, the program aims to strengthen the faculty members on the qualities essential other than academics for balanced and effective output. Experts delivered their knowledge with interactive session as flipped classroom, group discussion, interactive question answers, role playing, video sharing and demonstration case studies.
Okay, majority are saying A. Wonderful. You people are very fast in participation. I really appreciate your participation, friends. Wonderful.
धातु से कट का निर्माण होना. So thousands of such words are available which I note down in my mobile, and these words are actually the incorrect pronunciation of the Sanskrit.
Here, for example, and you can see that we are largest market size. We are here. Financial market, we have reasonable financial markets, not as good as the developed Asia, but still not that bad. Then as a society, are we doing things collectively which are correct? You know, we have a question here. Are we doing enough, and whether whatever we are doing is correct or not?
सर, ये कहना चाहूंगा कि आज आपने टीचिंग सिस्टम को आईना दिखाया है, और निश्चित रूप से मैं ये कहूंगा कि आज का आपका टॉक फलीभूत होगा, उपयोगी होगा. ये धीरे धीरे और प्रसारित होके हमारे देश के भविष्य को, हमारे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस को, पॉलिटेक्निक को, सबको एक दिशा देगा और उस दिशा में ले जाएगा.
He feels the resistance of the air and the difficulties of flying alone, और अकेला उड़ने में से बहुत तकलीफ होगी और बहुत ज्यादा थकान हो जाएगी.
Discontinuity, it will not grow. That means there is a gap, communication gap, feedback gap. Current flowing here but not coming here.
The origin of the term mentoring dates back to the ancient times in our country. The great warrior, the leader Arjun, considered Shri Krishna as his mentor.
We are grateful to you. Thank you.